Oh, there's 2 people left. I'm on one of them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button. And here's my sister, Brianna.
Hi.
And my other sister is down there trying to and she just fell down. She's coming, guys, wait. And here she is. These are my 2 sisters, Sine1122 and Brianna Daily 6 are my sisters. Well, in real life. Oh no. Hurry, Brianna. Please don't scream. Everybody, where are you? Ah! I died.
I'm gonna be in one of the corners so I don't die.
Run.
That's where they come from, Yay, that corner.
I got a gem.
Everyone be in the middle.
And JC. Oh, someone pressed the button. It says don't press the button, but we're pressing the button. Oh, doggies. Oh, I love doggies.
But they're falling out of the sky.
No, doggies, don't fall down. No. Doggies' faces.
I'm in the ball.
Doggies' faces. I'm on top of a doggy's face. Okay, that was cute.
Oh, there's the last one.
Watch out, boy. Victory Royal.
What is gold?
Now that's the Victory Royale.
I don't like voting.
I'm clicking the button.
I like dancing.
Oh shit. JD, are you okay?
No,
Brianna died. You died. Brianna, are you okay?
I'm alive. It killed me. It killed me.
What was that? It's you. Oh no.
Oh, I fell down.
Me too. Oh, you had a table. I don't know. Oh, they throw them. Oh, they're supposed to throw them to each other. Or,
I don't want to do that to me and to my sister.
well, we're all here. This is
10,
JD.
9.
Say hi, JD.
Hi.
And this is my
6,
other sister, Brianna,
5,
which I do
4,
most videos with.
3.
Say Brianna when I was
2,
with her
1.
and she was so
I
annoying.
didn't really have my tablet, so yeah. Yeah, it wasn't annoying.
Click the button to get ready. Everybody, run! I don't know what we're doing.
Button.
Go. I think it's like 3, 2, man.
You're supposed to grab all the diamonds.
Time to bless. The brand has been pressing her. Oh, it's supposed to be pressing the button. I was not there.
Climb, everybody!
I cried. I'm scared because I'm scared that it's like gonna fall again. Oh no, this is the hard part. Jump!
Yeah, Yeti died.
I'll get that's my diamond. Me.
You guys saw you down there.
I'm really the one who pressed the button. I'm here.
I pressed it.
Press the button!
You pressed the button for I put.
What's up? Boulders are coming again. Why does this always happen? I survived! I did.
You survived, but I died.
Yay. Now.
Now I'm alive.
Oh my god. Uh-oh, the button's on fire. Quick, get a fire extinguisher before the button explodes. We cannot let the button explode. What are you waiting for? Put it out.
What do we gotta do?
4, The girl already got the fire extinguisher. Okay, he stopped the fire. Good job. Now click the button. Where?
Behind you.
JD, run! JD, run!
How did he kill me? Okay,
Leave my sister alone, you ugly body. Oh no, he's slapping me. Run, run, run! What did I do? Did I fail math? I'm so sorry, Baldi. But I need you to find someone else. JD, are you slapped on the face? Let me show the camera.
Yep.
Oh no, the lasers! Everybody get in the little triangle. Get in the triangle. Is everybody in the triangle?
No.
How did I die?
Everyone
my
died
God.
except for boy and a girl.
Click the button. Oh no, again?
Yeah, people died.
I survived. I died.
I survived! Bitches. Press the button.
I'm going for blue. I'm going for blue. I'm going for blue. Brianna, the time is running up.
I got here.
Yay! I survived.
Me too.
I'm going to the red. I'm going to the red. I'm going to the red.
It's 10.
Stop copying me, because what if we all die?
Ah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blue. I'm going to the green.
I'm going to... Just hurry up. I'm going to yellow.
Okay.
Ah.
I'm going to green. Jay, where are you going to? With me? Seriously? Oh, it's only us 3. We survived. Woo! Sister power.
Yes. Iron back.
Yes. I clicked the button. Oh no. God, run. I don't want to. I don't want to die. I don't want
Let
to.
me out of here, sister.
I'm the only one. I don't want to die.
No, there's a girl with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Nope.
Her. It was her.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh my God. Get ready to... We're supposed to kill each other with the tables. Kill. Yeah. Oh, no, I fell. I fell. Yeah. JD, I'm so sorry I hit you. Yeah,
Yeah.
you guys will never get me. Look at my face. Did you see? I fell down. Monkey. Brianna, we're okay. Jump. I have gravity. I have no gravity. So cool. Oh my God.
You want
It feels so cool. Jumping up. We're jumping up.
I pressed the button.
No, the timer gets out. Go, go!
I lost.
Bridget, did you die? Me and Judy survived.
Why do I always
Suzanne, coming to whatever you call it. Run!
run?
Who's
People
coming?
run.
Something that has the water that drowns you. Remember, JD?
No,
We need to run.
and I can't go up.
I
I'm
am
stupid.
good, and I am. I was so close, so close. Okay,
Yeah, I couldn't climb the ladder.
we need to stop.
Oh,
We need to stop screaming.
no. Should we go to the other side?
Quick, go to the hole in the wall. Guys, go to the hole. Go to the hole. Go. One in the hole.
I died.
Oh,
I'm kidding. I survived.
I survived. I survived. Stop. Oh. Uh-oh, the button survivor. Who grabs the thing? I didn't grab it on time, okay? And I didn't. Whatever, just forget it.
Please don't be fire no more.
I clicked the button. Don't click the button. Never. I see you, JD. I'm up here. Can you see me? Bridget, hurry all the way over there. Look at Bridget. Oh, Bridget fell. Oh, this goes really so close to the diamond. Oh no, don't let the lasers touch you. Last time I was the only one who survived. Yeah.
You'll never
Yeah.
touch me.
Ah, it touched.
It touched me too.
It touched me. Oh. Okay, let's see if anyone survived.
I'm gonna be close to the window. Oh! I got out! So easy.
How?
Oh, you just get on top in front of the thing.
How? How is that possible? Oh, I can't move like my.
Go press the button. Press the button.
Oh, we can run fast. Yes, I'm calling the live. Jump. Wait, everybody meet up. I'm in the button. Don't go that far because if the thing is over, you're gonna die because you went out of space. See?
No.
I told you. Exploded, but I survived. The lava's racing. Hurry to the top. Hurry to the top. I can't. I died.
Me too.
Yes. Oh, Didi, we did it. We jumped off. Guys, that was literally just a glitch. We went to like the front.
Move, lava.
That was.
I was trying. Guys, we were like, oh my gosh, where is it?
I'm looking at the lava.
Girl,
Stop stepping on me. Ow, my back. Click the button, JD.
Crazy woman.
Oh, I'm going for the yellow. I'm going for the yellow. I'm going for the yellow.
I'm going for the yellow.
4, 3. Brianna, get up.
1.
We survived. I'm gonna go to the blue. You didn't do it on time, Sissy. My sister just said I didn't survive because you didn't do it on time. Bridget, you can get up out of the box. You can. Get to the front of the box and jump. I fell.
I fell down.
Good job.
I fell off.
Mine too. Okay, Bridget, get over here. The button disappeared. Press the button if you. I can't find it.
Nothing.
I'm gonna turn on all the lights.
You can see better. Wait, let's turn on all the lights from the house.
Oh, someone found it.
Oh.
Who is it?
Bomb!
The bomb. Click the button.
I died trying to press the button.
No.
My hair fell off! Where does my hair always fall off?
I pressed the button. Get on the platform. Get on the blue platform. Brianna, did you make it this time? Get on it. Woo! JD, you're the only one who died. See? Your body's just laying down.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana.
It's good. It's banana. Oh, the bananas.
Súbele a tu volumen. guys are so close though. Click. Do I really have to do this right now? Who found it? Where was it?
Oh, I passed it. Me too.
I like singing. I like dancing.
Is
I
that
like trains.
Mickey Mouse?
I didn't die.
Why do I always die?
What happened to you? I turned skinny.
Really? I want to turn skinny too.
I turned so skinny. It's so cool. I like it.
Ew. What a disgusting.
Yay! I don't care. Leave me alone. I'm the first one. It's his tongue. He has a huge tongue though. Jump! I'm getting out.
Why?
Cause
I'm looking back.
I got pooped out of him.
Oh. I'm trying to go back.
I'm going to press the button.
I fell down.
Victory Royale.
Yeah.
The soccer. Get it in there. There's only 30 seconds. Do not let the ball fall. No. You cannot go down. Yeah. Put it. No, we have to put it in the pole. We have to make it go. I won't let you, boss. Get out. Get over there. Yeah, go. No. So close, so close. Push it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. No. Here. No one soccer. No
have
one
a computer.
Okay, I'm gonna click the button. Click.
No, I haven't pressed it.
Oh my god.
You know what?
There's lava. I'm gonna get out. How do I get out? I can't get out. When I get out now. I need to get out.
Come on. Oh, I got out.
How?
But I died.
How did you get out?
When the lava almost,
Yeah, we're all here. I'm trying. Got out.
Ah! I flipped over, you guys.
I don't know what happened to
It
me.
failed.
I froze.
Get ready. I fell
What?
down.
No, I don't want to fall. Sorry, everybody, but
That's high.
yeah.
Come on.
Bridget, I'm so sorry I hit you.
Come on.
Did you die?
Yes, I'm trying to get out of this box here.
Oh no. Yeah. Bridget,